आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Matrix A, B and UV is given if there is a vector matrix X such that AX is equals to U has infinite many solutions, then we have to prove that BX is equals to V cannot have any unique solution. And if AFD is not equals to 0, then we have to prove that BX is equals to V has no solution. AX is equals to U, that is given in the question. So the value of D, D1, D2, D3 is equals to 0. First we will solve the D, that is A11, 1B, B, 0DC. So we will solve this. AB into C minus D minus 1 C minus D equals to 0. So we will take the common on other side, that AB minus 1 and C minus D equals to 0. So we can write it as AB equals to 1 and C equals to D. These are the possibilities. Now we will find the value of D1 and we will replace the X elements with F, G, H. That is F, G, H, 1, B, B and 0, D, C. So FP into C minus D minus 1 GC minus HD, that is equals to 0. So we can write it as that FP C minus D is equals to GC minus HD. Now we will solve D2, that is A11. Now we will replace the Y elements by FGH, FGH, 0DC. That is A into GC minus HD minus FC minus D equals to 0. So GC minus HD is equals to FC minus D upon A. For D3, A11, 1BB and FGH. That is AB into H minus G minus 1 H minus G, that is equals to 0. So AB minus 1 into H minus G is equals to 0. So the value of AB is 1 and H is equals to. So let's say we will take case 1 where CD is equal and AB is not equals to 1. So if we put this value, then D3 is 0, where H is equals to G and C equals to D. Now in the question it is given that Bx is equals to V. So the determinant of B is A, 0F, 1DG and 1C. So in determinant B the columns are identical, and if they are identical, that means the determinant is equals to 0. So the value of determinant B is 0. Now we'll find the value of B1 determinant, that is A square 0, 0. This is the value of V. We will replace the X elements by V. 1DG and 1CH, that is A square DH minus CG, that is equals to 0. So determinant B2 is, now we will replace the Y elements. So A 0F, A square 0, 0 and 1CH, that is minus A square of FC. B3 determinant is A0F, 1DG and A square 0, 0, that is minus A square of F, that is not equals to 0. Now in the question we have to prove that Bx equals to V has no solution, and for no solution we can say that determinant B, that is equals to determinant of B1 is equals to 0. So either B2 equals to B3 is non-zero, that is 0. B2 that equals to B3 is non-zero. So we can say that AFD is not equals to 0. Then there is a no solution. And this is what we have to prove.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।